In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage projects in TickTick. First, open TickTick in your browser or desktop app. On the left sidebar, look for the Lists section. This is where all your projects live. Click it to reveal your existing lists, then hit the plus icon to create a new one. Think of a list in TickTick as a project container that will hold all the tasks and dates related to that project. Give your project a clear, specific name so it's easy to find later. A good pattern is something like client website redesign or Q2 marketing plan. Next, choose a list color. Colors create quick visual cues. For example, use one color for work projects and another for personal, so your sidebar stays readable at a glance. Select your preferred view type. If you like a simple checklist, choose List View. If you plan to move tasks through stages like to do, doing, and done, choose Board View. You can change this later if your workflow evolves. Assign the project to a folder if you use folders for areas like work, personal, or school. This keeps the sidebar tidy as the number of projects grows. Choose the list type that best fits what you're managing. For most projects, a standard task list works well, while note-focused setups can be helpful for reference-heavy work. Decide whether you want tasks from this project to appear in smart lists like today or next 7 days. Turning this on surfaces deadlines automatically. Turning it off keeps those views lean if the project is long-term and less urgent. When everything looks right, click Add to create the project. With the project open, click Add Tasks to start filling it with work. Type a short action-based task title such as draft homepage copy. Clear verbs make it obvious what needs to happen. Next, click the date beside the task to schedule it. Choose the due date that matches when you intend to finish. If timing matters, set a specific time so you have a concrete target during the day. For tasks that recur, click repeat and pick the cadence that fits, like daily, weekly, or monthly. When you're done adjusting the scheduling options, click OK to save. That's it. You've created a well-organized project, added tasks, and set up dates, times, and repeats. Continue adding tasks the same way and adjust colors, views, and folders whenever your needs change. TickTick will do the tracking so you can focus on doing.